Hi, I'm Jeff, and from time to time we get questions on our paper punches. Questions like, my punch doesn't work as well as it used to. Can it be fixed? Can it be sharpened? Well, the answer is yes. These dull paper punches can be made new again with a punch head replacement kit. The instructions are the same for both of these punches. Let's demonstrate on this one. First, remove the screw from the punch head that holds it to the chrome faceplate on the front of the punch. Twist to remove the worn punch head. Insert the new head into the punch tray the same way. Then, move the punch heads back to the desired locations and replace each punch head locking screw. Replace the remaining punch heads, and there you have it. Your paper punch is just like new, no more dull punch heads. At Swingline, we build products to last. Let us know if you have any questions and we'll be happy to answer them.